Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I tried to play the Riot client Valorant in my new Windows 10 PC, but unfortunately it shows following one message: connection error. Valorant has encountered a connection error. Please relaunch the client to reconnect. And also they mentioned the one error code 83. So how to get rid of this error message? So if you get the error code 81, also you can try the same method. So first of all, first stop this React client related processes from your task manager. And then open your Windows run and execute this command percentage local app data percentage. So here you can locate that Valorant folder and simply click to delete it and close this window. So next you can open your control panel and go to programs and features. So here you can locate that React Vanguard and simply click to uninstall it and close all the windows. So now one more time I try to access that Valorant and click to sign in your React client account. But it asks for the React Vanguard update process, so just click to download this update. So once the updating process is completed and it asks for the restart process, so just do it. And the restarting process is completed. And finally one more time I try to access that Valorant and also sign in your account details. But friends, now this time you can see it doesn't show any error codes, which means that this trick works for me. So friends, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. And also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, TechOns, and thanks for watching.